tutorial number 10, and it covers the Filet Constant Radius feature within SOLIDWORks. To start off this tutorial, let's open up the Filet tutorial part, which I have included on the DVD. This is the part that we will be making a bunch of fillets on. Now, to make a fillet, all we have to do is click the Filet feature and click Align Segment on the part. The yellow is the preview of what the fillet will do. Click Accept, and we have the fillet. Now click the fillet feature again, and now for this time let's make a bigger fillet. Let's make it 40 millimeters. Click the edge, and we can see that we've made a 40 millimeter fillet. We can increase it or we can decrease the fillet size, but for this one let's make it 40 millimeters. Click Accept. Now on the outside edges of a part, we'll always cut in to the part just like how we did. But if we have an edge such as this, the fillet option will actually add to the part. As you can see in the preview, we're going to be adding material if we accept this fillet. Let's put it down to 20 millimeters and accept. And now the fillet option has added to the part there. And we can also do this option to circular edges. So let's click fillet, let's click the top circle, and let's make the fillet 5 millimeters. Click Accept, and we've filleted around 5 millimeters. Now click the inside circle, click fillet, and we can do a 5 millimeter fillet there too, and also click that line, click Accept, and now we've done 2 fillets inside of there. And this concludes our tutorial on the constant radius fillet.